After World War I, Australian veterans returned home to find themselves battling a different kind of enemy. Emus. These large, flightless birds began invading farmlands in Western Australia, drawn by the abundance of crops in the region. Thousands of emus descended upon the fields, trampling over crops and wreaking havoc. Farmers were desperate. They were losing their livelihoods as their crops were destroyed. With no other options, they turned to the government for help. And the government had an idea: send in the military.